Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a giveaway. It's been a hot minute since I've done a giveaway, and I thought I would show you how much I appreciate you all because I got the Whole Foods beauty bags. These are for 2023. I did this similar type video a couple of years ago. The bag was bigger. This is a smaller bag. Let's go through the contents of each one, and I'm going to give one of them away. You tell me which one you want. If I pick your name in the giveaway, then you're going to win that bag because I'm not going to use anything. So let's go ahead and some giveaway rules. This giveaway is not affiliated with YouTube. It's only affiliated with my very small channel, The House of Jane. The only rule is you be subscribed to my channel and stay subscribed. That would be really kind of you. And your subscriptions have to be public. So I have to go on there and see that you're publicly subscribed, or anybody can go and see that you're publicly subscribed to me. And that is it. This is an international giveaway. I will ship the bag at my own expense to your home. So these are Walmart beauty bags. They normally go for $20 a bag. And when did I say Walmart? I meant Whole Foods. Scratch that, not Walmart. Whole Foods beauty bags. They're normally $20 a bag. When I went into my local Whole Foods, they were 25% off. So I got each bag for $14.87. It lists all the contents back here. And if you happen to have Amazon Prime, they're on sale for 33% off. So that's even a better deal. So let's go through the one here. It says, "You do you." Love these bags. Comes with a zipper. And I'm just gonna empty everything out and show you what's in each bag. Remember, you tell me which bag you want to win and I will grant that wish. So the first item in here is by Dr. Hashutka. It's a soothing cleansing milk. This is a very nice brand. It is a great facial cleanser. And then we got from Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. It's a 1/2 ounce. Again, another good brand. It says Skin Restore, and this is vegan friendly. We got a $5 off coupon for collagen peptides, and that coupon is good till the end of July. Then we got some masks. We got a watermelon rose water grapefruit mask. Love me a good mask. And then we got those eye serum patches. This one is by Pacifica. Also a very great brand, nice and healthy for your skin. Then we got by Karuna. It is a balancing cleanser. These are great for travel. Some of these brands I've never heard of this brand, but of course I've heard of Burt's Bees. Little sample size. It's also a gentle cream cleanser, sensitive solutions it says. Then we got by Triology Advanced Formula Rose Hip Oil. Put that on your face. And another Derma E product. This is a vitamin C facial oil. I love my facial oils. I use them all the time and I don't break out from them. So at least for me, I love them. Then we got an Everyday Shea Bubble Bath by Alifia. Never heard of them. Again, very nice travel size. And then the last thing we got is a collagen peptide sample for your water. So that is You Do You. Again, 25% off at Whole Foods. So I I haven't looked up the pricing for each product, but I know this is definitely worth it, especially if you liked to try sample sizes without buying, you know, the full size to see if you like the product. These are great. So that is the first one up for grabs in the cute little bag. And then the next one is Head to Toe Glow. This one is a bit heavier and again, it's really nice packaging. I like this one, but if you choose this one's yours. Gonna open up the drawstring. And these bags are so well made. They're so great to take with you when you're going on trips. Again, we got a bubble bath. This is the same one in the other one, in the other bag. Nice bubble bath, 2 fluid ounces. And 365 Moisture and Shine shampoo. This is lavender. There's no little safety on there, so gotta be careful with that one. Ooh, this is really nice. This is by Pacha Soap Company, a bar of soap. And I'm going to tell you, this really smells delicious. It's called Sand and Sea. It's a 4-ounce soap. Then we got by Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Hemp Almond Pure Castile Soap. And I did notice the cap is a little cracked, but it doesn't matter because this does have a safety seal on it, so that's really good. This you can use for cleaning, for your skin. It is one of those all-natural products. I was reading all about it. You could use it for anything, not just like your face or your hands. You can use this as a cleaning product too, which I thought was very surprising. Then we got by Cure Brightening Facial Scrub, a 1 fluid ounce size by Cure. I actually have heard of them. This is sea kelp and French green clay. Good for all skin types. And this is by Welda Skin Food, Original Ultra Rich Cream, 1 fluid ounce. I did look this up. This is 20 bucks online if you went to Welda. So it just pays for the bag right there, this one product. And then we got by Everyone for Everybody, a 3-in-1 soap. It's a body wash, bubble bath, shampoo, and it's Pacific Eucalyptus. So again, another good travel size. Let's see if this has a little safety seal. Yes, good. I love those safety seals. Always makes me feel better. Then, oh, I have this. This is by Mad Hippie. This is a vitamin C serum for your face. Yeah, 0.5 fluid ounces. Very nice. And we got a little baggie. Let's see what's in here. Little drawstring cotton muslin baggie. And this is vanilla bean fragrance oil that you do apply to your skin. Just smell it real quick. I won't use it. Oh, that's lovely. It is really lovely. So that's that. Comes in a little baggie. We also have organic pure moringa, 1 teaspoon. You can put it in your tea or some hot water. Moringa is one of those super foods for you, so they claim. And then the last thing is a coupon for $4 off any Welda facial product. And this one expires at the end of December, so you have a longer time. And then, of course, the really nice drawstring bag. And I'm a sewer. They did box the corners, which is always very nice. Put everything back in this bag with all the contents. So again, tell me which bag you want to win and I will make that dream come true. It's been quite a long time since I've done a giveaway. I have mixed feelings about giveaways, nothing personal about to anybody out in YouTube land or anybody I might meet, but I used to do a lot more. But I just want to show my appreciation to you guys who who support my channel. Really means a lot to me. Again, I told the rules earlier in the video. I am going to come back on, let's see. I will come back on in a week, so maybe around, I wish I had a calendar with me, around the, this is so awkward. I don't even know what today's date is. Around the 16th of May. I just picked a date, okay? 16th of May. I will probably either do a follow-up video or go into the comments with a big picture announcing the winner there, and then you know, write to my email and I'll get tell me you won, and of course tell me who you are, and I'll get the bag out to you after we do that little confirmation back and forth. All right, guys, hope everybody is doing well. I've been just kind of going through a lot of things lately. And that's a whole nother video in itself. So I haven't posted a video in over a week, but you know, life happens. Life gets in the way. I hope you all are doing good. So I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.